After the ceasefire ended last Friday, there were attempts to broker a new agreement with Qatar and Egypt. However, they ended in failure, and the Israeli authorities recalled the negotiating team from Doha back to Israel. Over the past few days, following the end of the ceasefire, the IDF Air Force has been continuously launching strikes on the Gaza Strip. The most often targets facilities in the south of the enclave, where fighters are setting the next phase of the ground operation in motion. At the same time, clashes resumed along the entire area of control in the north and northwest of the Gaza Strip. Fighting continued near Sheikh Radwan, Beit Lahia, Beit Hanun, and Gaza's Supreme Court building. On Monday, the Israelis pushed deep into another area of Gaza City, in the northern part of the enclave. Local Palestinian sources reported fierce fighting on Baghdad Street in the Shuja'iyyah neighborhood. Shortly after, the Israelis made an incursion into the Gaza Strip from a new direction. The IDF entered the enclave in the area between Khan Yunis and Deir al-Balah. They succeeded in taping deep into the enclave and reaching the central Salah al-Din road. This tactic has been used before in the northern direction. The IDF command is likely aims to reach the Al-Rashid coastal road in this direction as well. Such actions will allow the Israelis to split the enclave into several more parts, which will make it easier for them to further clear the territory. Palestinian groups, meanwhile, regularly counterattack in all areas where fighting is taking place. They occasionally manage to significantly damage IDF equipment and personnel. However, they are unable to stop the Israeli advance. At the same time, militants continue to shell southern and central Israeli cities. Most of the missiles fall in open terrain or are intercepted. However, some of them caused damage in Ashkelon, near Tel Aviv, and in other cities. In the West Bank, everything remains the same. Massive raids by Israeli security forces continue throughout the region. Often, Israeli operations result in violent clashes with Palestinians, where firearms and special equipment are used. On the Israeli-Lebanese border, the IDF and Hezbollah carry out daily strikes along the entire line of contact. Attacks on the Beit Hillel base and a stronghold near Shtula resulted in around 15 injured Israelis and damaged military equipment. Israeli air forces again struck the southern suburbs of Damascus. Some of the missiles were intercepted by air defenses, while others landed on local farms, where Iranian IRGC headquarters or Hezbollah facilities could allegedly be located. Yemeni Houthis attacked the USS Carney with missiles and drones. All projectiles were intercepted. 2 missiles crashed near a commercial vessel.